Hello, I am Karishma. I am an entrepreneur in a data consultancy. Dr. Krishna Athal workshop today was very interesting. He was very clear and provided a very good guidance on women entrepreneurship. I am looking forward to join his coaching sessions and continue my entrepreneur journey and continue to grow as well with his help. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Janice. I'm a final year student from Middlesex, and I came to attend this micro entrepreneurship women's event today, and it was very insightful. Everything I learned from Dr. Krishna, the trainer, was transformative in the aspect of growth and also progress in terms of business-wise and also career-wise, and I found it very, very motivational. And yeah, I can say that I learned a thing or two from the workshop, and I'm very, very happy leaving the workshop today. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Olive. What I really liked about this workshop is the way it was very engaging. There were women of different age groups, from young adults to older women, and the trainer was able to engage all of us. What I also liked is how I got to learn something new about entrepreneurship. I thought I knew it, but like they say, you learn every day, and I truly learned. My eyes were opened. I have something to look forward to. Yes, thank you.